This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning. Our brain is completely surrounded by a membrane, and that membrane is of three layers. This is known as meninges. These layers are found between the brain and the skull. These three layers are dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia mater. First of all, dura mater. So dura mater is the outermost layer, which is a double layered tough fibrous connective tissue. So this dura mater itself have two layers. One is periosteal layer, which is towards the skull, and one is meningeal layer, which is towards the brain. Okay, so these two layers are there of dura mater. There are three extensions of dura mater which goes inside the brain, and it separates the parts of the brain. First extension which goes inside it, falx cerebri, which separates the two hemispheres of the brain, of the cerebrum. The falx cerebelli, which separates two hemispheres of the cerebellum, and tentorium cerebelli separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum. Here you can understand that these are three extensions of dura mater. These are two layers, one this and one this. So this inner layer goes inside. This is one falx cerebri. These are tentorium cerebelli, and this is falx cerebelli. Second layer or middle layer is arachnoid matter. This layer is of fibrous tissue that lies between the dura and pia maters. It is separated from the dura mater by a space known as subdural space, and from pia mater by subarachnoid space. The arachnoid matter passes over the convolutions of the cerebrum or brain and accompanies the inner layer of dura mater in the formation of falx cerebri, tentorium cerebelli, and falx cerebelli. We can understand this scenario with the help of this picture. So this is one layer of dura mater, and this is second layer of dura mater, and this is the arachnoid matter, and the white space is subdural space, and this space is subarachnoid space. Pia mater. This is a delicate layer of connective tissue containing many minute blood vessels. It adheres to the brain and completely covering the convolutions and dipping or fissures of the brain. Here you can understand that this red line is pia mater, which also goes into the fissures. Okay, while dura mater and arachnoid mater, they will not enter into the fissures. So each fissure is accompanied by only pia mater. My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.